Hey everyone, welcome back. To sign up for CIBC Online Banking using your phone, open the CIBC Mobile. Then you're going to go ahead and tap the option to register here or sign up for online banking. Then enter your CIBC debit or credit card number and follow the on-screen instructions. Put in the name of your card, then put in your card number. After that, click continue. Next, you'll be asked to verify your identity using your personal details and a verification code. Check your SMS for the verification code or open your Gmail. If you do not see the code here, click on the three-line option in the top left corner, scroll down and look in the trash or spam options. After that, what you're gonna do is put in the verification code. Create a secure username and password when prompted. Once registration is complete, log in using your new credentials. You now have full access to your CIBC mobile banking features, and that's it. Subscribe for more